हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। इफ़ यू आर जॉइनिंग मर्चेंट नेवी में दो तरह की सैलरीज होती हैं। वन इज राउंड द ईयर सैलरी। आप शिप पे व्हेन यू आर सेलिंग यू आर गेटिंग सैलरी, व्हेन यू आर नॉट सेलिंग, व्हेन यू आर एट होम एंजॉइंग पार्टिंग, देन ऑल्सो गेटिंग सैलरी। एंड दूसरी सैलरी इज कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल। व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग ऑन बोर्ड शिप यू आर गेटिंग सैलरी, व्हेन यू आर नॉट वर्किंग ऑन बोर्ड शिप यू आर नॉट गेटिंग सैलरी। तो इस वीडियो के अंदर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट राउंड द ईयर सैलरी एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल सैलरी, और इनके पॉजिटिव्स और नेगेटिव्स दोनों की बात करेंगे। लेट अस टॉक अबाउट राउंड द ईयर सैलरी फर्स्ट। सो राउंड द ईयर सैलरी के अंदर स्टेबल सैलरी थ्रू आउट द ईयर। सो गाइस, आई एज अ chief engineer in my 14 years career in merchant navy, I have sailed on both the types of shipping companies. One where I was getting round the year salary and one where I was getting contractual salary. तो मैं आपको दोनों को एग्जाम्पल दूंगा so that you get an idea. So I was sailing on contractual basis as a fourth engineer in Searland, and that time in 2000 around 10 I was getting salary of $3,500 per month. So if 6 months I was sailing, I was getting $3,500 per month, and when I was not sailing I was not getting anything that time, zero salary. On the other hand, when I was sailing in British Petroleum, my salary was $2,750 per month, but round the year. बट उसमें क्या था, फॉर एवरी 30 days दैट आई वॉज सेलिंग आई वॉज गेटिंग 22 days पेड लीव। मतलब सपोज कीजिए आपने 5 months यू सेल्ड, देन 5 months यू सेल्ड, सो 22 into 5 110 days. सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट 110 days when you are at home, that is around 4.5 months, आपको 4.5 months की सैलरी मिलेगी. So if you are staying beyond that, you will not get a single payment and you might be called कि भैया आप शिप ज्वाइन कर लो, कॉपिड। और मैं तो था, आई वॉज अ फोर्थ इंजीनियर, बट दोज हु वर चीफ इंजीनियर्स देयर, सेकेंड इंजीनियर्स, फॉर देम इट वॉज 50-50. से देयर सैलरी वॉज $8,000 राउंड द ईयर, बट दे वर गेटिंग $8,000 on ship and $8,000 on land. But in that their case, for every 30 days on ship they were getting 27 days leave on land. मतलब से अगर आप you have done 4 months on board ship, 30 days के हिसाब से 4 months on board ship, so 27 into 4 is 108 days की लीव, 108 days की लीव. So for the next 108 days you will be getting paid same amount of salary. So but होता क्या था, even when I was working in British Petroleum I was getting a good handsome salary. The thing was, there was always a pressure that I have to join back. Agar suppose my leave is ending on 30th August, then maybe I will have to give a eligibility or readiness before 30th August. नहीं तो दिक्कत है. But हाँ एक और चीज़ थी, if I give my readiness before 30th August and if the company is not able to join me on ship, they will be paying me even when I am on land. क्योंकि I have given them readiness but they are not able to join me, so then they are going to pay me. So round the year salary is not a easy thing. So अगर मैं calculate करूँ those $2,750 per month, and for every 30 days I was getting 22 days leave, it amounts to above $4,000 per month. So I was getting more salary than I was getting in Searland, right? Apart from that, not just that, employee treatment was very good. So now you can see. So I was getting stable salary throughout the year. I could plan it well कि भैया मुझे पूरा साल इतना पैसा मिलेगा. So I can plan, I can go for my mutual funds, I can go for my SIPs, I can plan my career well. Unfortunately in contractual salary, जब सेल कर रहे हो तो खूब सारा पैसा आ रहा है, when you are not selling you are not getting much money. So this is advantage over here. Another advantage is work life balance. So out here you know yaar, okay you plan it very well, 6 months bhai I am away from you, but next 4.5 months, 5 months I will be on land enjoying and salary is coming out here. So you have a work life balance, good employee treatment. Round the year salary is not affordable by normal companies. Only good companies they afford round their salaries, because वो कहती हैं ये बंदा कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअली मेरा आदमी है, इज माई टीम मेंबर एंड आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ हिम. Cop it. So that is how they treat you. So employee treatment is very good because round their salaries in good companies. Next slide please. But this is advantage. Now let us talk about disadvantages. Disadvantages, limited vacation period. So over here I know after 5 months sailing I have come back, within 4 months I have to join back on ship. ये नहीं कि I can stay for another 3 months 4 months, शादी है किसी की बहन की शादी चलो यार घर पे रुक जाते, नो, it won't work that way. So limited vacation period. So एक तरफ जो फायदा दिख रहा है कि यार राउंड देयर सैलरी है, बट देन यू हैव टू गो बैक, लाइक जैसा कि आर्मी में होता है. सो यू गेट राउंड देयर सैलरी बट you have to report back. Even there is a marriage or somebody has said you have to report back, right? In this case also if there is some emergency you can always have reasons for that and they will give you. But ऐसा नहीं कि बस हर बार you are doing the same thing, नहीं अभी नहीं आराम से जाएंगे 2 months के बाद जाएंगे. It does not work. Second thing, the most important disadvantage of round the year salary, I won't say round the year salary, but the most important disadvantage of joining a good company where the round their salary is that people at top do not leave. Somebody is a chief engineer, second engineer there who's getting around their salary, very good salary, यार वो छोड़ना ही नहीं चाहेंगे. So when they will not leave, the people down below will not get promoted. So promotions are very slow, and that was the reason that I left British Petroleum. Excellent company at that time, used to get every 20 minutes phone call free. यार कोई कंपनी नहीं देती थी. 20 minutes phone call free at home, internet 24/7. Even 14 years after I have left BP, still so many companies are there, so many which cannot afford to give you 24/7 internet. But BP in 2010 was giving internet free of cost 24/7, and along with that 20 minutes phone call daily. So that is the advantage of joining a good shipping company. So if you are looking at a long term perspective कि आप जिंदगी भर सेल करना चाहते हो, देन एक अच्छी कंपनी में रहो, आपका ख्याल भी रखेगी और आप धीरे धीरे करके आगे बढ़ोगे. बड़े धीरे धीरे है, वेरी स्लो. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल सैलरी. ओके, अब हम कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल सैलरी की बात करते हैं. व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल सैलरी मीन्स क्या मतलब कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल कि ओनली व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग ऑन बोर्ड शिप यू गेट सैलरी. सो नाउ लेट अस सी कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल सैलरी के एडवांटेजेस. You can plan your vacations. So 6 months you have been on ship. Abhi yaar, I have got my daughter's exams in March, so I will not go on ship for the next 9 months. I will be here preparing with her and helping her clear her board exams with good ranks. I've seen people do that. I've seen people not going on ship for 1 year and then going back aram se. I have not been on ship for 2 years right now. But अगर मैं जाना चाहूँगा, yes, I can join back. So, but अभी कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है 2 साल से. I'm not earning anything from ship because contractual salary was. So, but you can plan your vacations. भाई की शादी है, चाचा की शादी है, मामी की शादी है. People are calling, नहीं सर अभी नहीं. I'll join after 3 months. I'll join after 5 months. Sir अभी I'll not join. I'll join after 9 months. This is the, so you can plan your vacations. So once you tell your company when you want to join, the same company is going to put in their वो कि भैया call this person at this time. That is the time when he wants to join. Copy it. Next. Generally most of the companies give contractual salary. अच्छी companies बहुत कम है, very less are there. Maximum companies are which gives contractual salary. So you have got more options. Copied? So एक नहीं दूसरी तीसरी you get a lot of options in companies. Next please. Disadvantages. Salary only when working. So 9 months you are not working, you are on land, you are not getting anything. So the curve goes like this. स्टेबल नहीं है बॉस, स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है. लैक ऑफ स्टेबल लाइफ. पैसा आ रहा है तो इट इज टू मच कमिंग, नहीं आ रहा है तो बिल्कुल जीरो ठस. सो विद दिस ऑल आई कैन से इज नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज, दैट इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज subscribe to Merchant Navy Decoded YouTube channel. You'll get the right information. Connect with us on WhatsApp. This is the number, and you can also email us at teammerchantnavydecoded@gmail.com. With this, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.